today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a Trello board. Trello is a popular project management tool, and if you're involved in any kind of development work, automation, or API integration, knowing how to find these IDs can be incredibly handy. Let's dive in and guide you through the process one step at a time. First, open up your web browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll need to log into your account. Trello offers a few different ways to log in, so choose your preferred method, whether it's through your email, Google account, or another service. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the specific board where you want to find the IDs. Whether it's for a board, a list, or a card, these unique IDs are all within your reach. Now that you're on the correct board page, direct your attention to the address bar of your web browser. You'll notice the URL there, which typically ends with some kind of slash or specific path. This is where we perform a little magic. All you need to do is append JSON to the end of the URL and hit enter. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the raw data associated with your Trello board in what's known as JSON format. To the untrained eye, this may look like an overwhelming sea of text, but don't worry, it's essentially the back-end information of your board, and within it lie the IDs we're looking for. As you scroll through this JSON data, initially it might seem daunting, but stay focused. You're looking for a segment of the data that's typically near the top, conveniently labeled with ID or something similar. This identifier is followed by a combination of letters and numbers unique to your board or card. This is the golden nugget we're after. Go ahead and copy this ID to your clipboard. It can now be used for various tasks, be it automating workflows with tools like Zapier or Butler, integrating with external applications via an API, or any other advanced use case you're involved with. I hope you found this explanation helpful. By learning how to locate these IDs, you're opening up a great deal of functionality for your projects. Thank you for watching. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to revisit this method or experiment on other boards to refine your skills. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to consult Trello's documentation or reach out to their support community for more assistance.